23 years ago, Mom and Dad started up the company, and with the need for more storage around our country, we've just been able to scale the company up, building grain bins, grain storage.
And what we find is really unique for Mid-States is that we're a vertically integrated company. So we have a design and engineering company, we have the construction company, we have manufacturing, and we have crane and trucking and logistics. We were on QuickBooks and spreadsheets before Acumatica, and it presented a lot of challenges. And in order to run a consolidated financial statement, I basically had to go pull the financial statements and then pull underlying reports and then manually eliminate the intercompany transactions to get just what is our year-to-date revenue. I knew that we weren't going to be able to have the sort of reporting that we wanted with the systems we had.
When we decided to integrate multiple companies to Mid-States companies, our main company, you have to have the right ERP system to do that. I think a lot of other ERP systems, the customization's not there. So if you want to be able to see certain data or understand certain metrics, it's really hard to drill down and get that level of detail. We've had a whole bunch of growth in the last 10 years, and I feel like Acumatica has been a huge part of that growth.
Our data is so much better than it ever has been. And so our ability to be able to see everything in one place, have what we always say, one source of the truth, and be able to jump from thing to thing quickly has been really, really important for us. When someone has a question about finances on a job, or about man hours on a job, or about quality forms and how many failures we've had, or something like that, almost everything is about a 30-minute generic inquiry away. The ability for me, even though I'm not a programmer, to build that and then be able to present it has been a really, really big win. We built custom forms inside of Acumatica, and it's been one of the biggest wins for us as a company just because it simplifies such a messy part of business.
With Acumatica, we're able to put a level of branding on our documents that we haven't been able to previously. That's been one of the really big home runs for the brand side of Mid-States with Acumatica.
So we've done most of our customization with our strategies group. Strategies on the customer support side has been really responsive. They understand that if there's a problem that I really need solved, they're going to figure it out, and pretty quickly.
Mid-States also needed some operational flexibility. They use the system to do almost every operational element of their business, and they're trying to consolidate everything they can into Acumatica. I would say the flexibility is huge for them. It lets them do every line of business in Acumatica in one platform.
I would say that it's a really good system if you're looking to scale your company. It's super important that we have a software that can grow with us.
We are able to present ourselves even more professionally when we're dealing with these larger companies. That's a huge win for us because it just helps us with that relationship with our customer.
We have continued to push more and more items inside of Acumatica. We're going to just keep finding new ways to leverage the system, to make us more efficient, to get us more business, to enhance our reputation with our customers. Almost any time we have an operational problem we need to solve, we've kind of gotten most of our leadership staff to say, hey Andrew, could we do that in Acumatica? At this point, I feel comfortable enough with Acumatica after just 2 years where it's like, you give me a business, I can fit it in Acumatica.